Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode we have few products from CarTrimHome for the RAV4. This is gonna be for any 2019 to 2021 Toyota RAV4. This is what we have today. Very simple in this installation today. We have the gas and brake pedals and we have the TRD badge. My RAV4 is an XLE 2021. I don't have a TRD. There is nothing TRD on this RAV4, but we're gonna put the badge. This badge is gonna go right here on the grill. It's gonna go, probably gonna put it on this one. This is very easy. We have a little cover on top of the radiator. We have to remove that, get to the grill, and just put the badge right here. And this is a little plate that is gonna hold the badge. You put these two screws into the badge. You put the plate and the two screws on the back to hold it in place. So the grill is gonna be in between. And for the brake and gas pedal, they're just gonna slide. So this is rubber. Open it up, slide the gas pedal, and this one you just have to kind of like push this up, push this down, and put it into the brake pedal. I think this is gonna be really good because if it rains or now the winter's coming, rain, snow, this is gonna have more grip. All this rubber right here is gonna make the brake and gas pedal more grippy. So let's put this on and I'm gonna show you the installation. Okay guys, I'm not sure about the gas pedal. I think the new one just slide onto this one. For the brake pedal, you have to remove it. So you put on this side and peel it off. Okay guys, just make sure that when you put it on, just peel all the rubber on the back, so it's gonna cover the whole metal part of the brake, and it's gonna go behind it to secure the pedal in place. Now for the gas pedal, let me check. I think this one stays in place, so this is just a cover. Let's see if it fits. Okay guys, checking on the back of the gas pedal, this piece is solid, so this is just a cover, not like the brake pedal where you can remove the rubber and put the new one. On this one just slide. Make sure that you do the same as the brake, peel all the rubber off to the outside so you can cover the gas pedal and push it all the way down until it locks in place. Yep, you see, it's perfect. Batch is in place. We put the nuts by hand. You don't have to get it really tight. Just by hand, as long as you secure the batch, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so batch is in place. Brake and gas pedal are in place. Now we just need to put the cover back on. It's 2 bolts in here, one on the back, 10 millimeters, 2 10 millimeters, and the rest of them, they're clips. Everything is in place. I almost forgot about these two, but those two are 10, those three are 10 millimeter. The rest of them are clips. Everything is back in place. Now we have this and the brake and gas pedal. Nothing major, just few little things. I want to thank CarTrimHome for the support. Link is going to be in the description for the batch and the brake and gas pedal. Actually, I really do like the brake and gas pedal. So I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.